Hi guys, and welcome to Fix Savers. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to sharpen the blade on a petrol lawnmower. Let's get it done. So the quickest and easiest way to sharpen your lawnmower blade is going to be using an angle grinder with a metal grinding, that's not a metal cutting, the slightly thicker, the metal grinding discs would be ideal for this. So you want to have a quick look at your blade and get familiarised with it. So you can see obviously here's your cutting edge here. You can see you've actually got a few little gouges and dings in this particular blade, which is not good. So we're nearing the end of the life on this, but a good sharpen will get it in back in good order. And then likewise, again, another nasty ding just there. So what you want to do is when you're grinding this, you want to get it safely clamped to your workbench. If you've got a bench grinder, that's even better, you can just offer the blade up to it, but doing it with an angle grinder, you want to make sure it's secured to the bench. And when you run your angle grinder blade along here, you just want to do a few passes. You're not trying to get this thing like a razor blade, you just want to get a few passes, just get rid of those imperfections. And you might do 3 or 4 passes, and then however many you do on the one side, you then want to do the same amount on the other side. The reason being is you want to try and keep this blade fairly well balanced. Obviously if it does go out of balance, it's spinning really quickly, so it doesn't take much of it being out of balance to actually start to create a little bit of extra vibration, which obviously you don't need. Okay, so we've just trimmed a little bit of meat off of the both sides of our blade here. Now if you're worried that you've attacked one side too heavily, there's a quick test you can do before you refit it. So have a real quick look at that right now. Okay, quick test to check the balance on your blade. Pop a quick nail or a screw into a beam, and then just hang your blade on it. Obviously if your blade's kind of starting to tip to one side, then that's going to illustrate that this side is obviously lighter than this one, and so you can take an extra little bit off of this side if you need to. But that's a quick test you can do before refitting, just to make sure that everything's balancing up quite nicely. So there we have it guys, that is how you sharpen the blade on your lawnmower using an angle grinder. I've also done videos on how to change your belt as well. We'll add links for you in the descriptive text below, so check that out if that's of any use to you. Thanks for watching guys. Please be sure to hit that like button for us. We'll see you again.